Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Metaplex token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Metaplex is the foundational open source protocol that provides the core infrastructure for creating and managing nearly all tokens and NFTs on the Solana blockchain. Solana's tokenization backbone. It is the standard protocol powering the creation of over 900 million digital assets on Solana. Open source developer toolkit provides the tools and standards for builders to create decentralized applications and marketplaces. Community governed ecosystem operated by a DAO where the MPLX token is used for governance and benefits from a protocol fee buyback model. Metaplex project institution rating is 3.9. Metaplex token total supply is around 999.98 million and circulating supply is around 513.59 million MPLX token. MPLX token is listed on Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.